Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a strong golf grip. First, understand that a strong grip often leads to unwanted hooks and pulls, making consistent shots difficult. We'll focus on simple, effective adjustments to your hand placement. By making these small but significant changes, you'll gain better control and improve your overall ball striking. Let's get started on refining your hold for a more accurate swing. To begin, let's identify if you have a strong grip. Hold the club in your lead hand and look down. If you see 3 or more knuckles on your lead hand, or if the V-shape formed by your thumb and forefinger points well outside your right shoulder, your grip is likely too strong. Your trail hand should then naturally cover your lead thumb without excessive rotation. Now, let's adjust your lead hand. Gently rotate your lead hand slightly counterclockwise on the club. The goal is to see about 2 to 2.5 knuckles when you look down. Crucially, the V-shape formed by your thumb and forefinger should now point more towards your chin or slightly inside your right shoulder. This subtle shift is key to neutralizing your grip. Finally, refine your trail hand placement. Position your trail hand so its lifeline rests directly over your lead thumb. The V-shape formed by your trail hand's thumb and forefinger should point roughly parallel to your lead hand's V towards your right shoulder. Remember to maintain a light, relaxed pressure throughout your grip. A vice-like hold restricts your swing. For a cleaner home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.